Good morning, this is Mike Houston with your Wednesday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we continue to see this high-pressure ridge along the west coast. And we do see a low-pressure system working east through Wyoming. Tail end of that is sweeping through southeast Idaho. We should see drier conditions spreading into the area a little later today. Looking further upstream, we see some low-pressure systems off into the northeast Pacific that will impact us a little later in the forecast time frame. Here we are looking at our forecast charts for this afternoon. That high-pressure ridge expanding inland over the afternoon today. We'll continue to see that, like I said, this dry northwest flow across southeast Idaho. And daytime temperatures generally running up into the upper 40s to mid-50s here throughout the Snake River Plain, and mid-40s to mid-50s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. We have to advance out to Friday before we see our next storm system approaching the coast. And here we are looking at that chart here for Friday morning. Low-pressure system now spreading into the northwest coast. And then we see that spreading further eastward by Friday afternoon, with accompanying precipitation spreading into the Central Mountains in the morning, and then the Montana and Wyoming Divide areas in the afternoon. Rather light amounts, low impacts here. The ridge rebounds across the region by Saturday afternoon, and looks like we'll go dry until we see our next storm system possibly working into the region here Tuesday morning. Models have been bouncing around with how strong this next system is here on Tuesday. The timing has been changing from model run to model run, so not a whole lot of confidence here, but at least the models are still trying to indicate something coming in by Tuesday or early next week. Here we are looking at Tuesday afternoon, and then the precipitation associated with that generally impacting the Central Mountains, maybe even portions of the Southern Highlands. And like I said, the models have been bouncing around with their solution on this particular time frame. We should see daytime highs by Tuesday finally dropping into the mid-40s here within the Snake River Plain, and upper 30s and lower 40s here in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. That's all I had here for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.